Civilians in Khartoum describe brutal conditions in the city as a result of the violence that broke out there in mid-April. Many say they have nearly run out of supplies. Markets are shuttered and imports are no longer entering the country. Yusuf Ahmed is a merchant in the city.
Some people cannot bear this situation, and we ask God for safety. For me, as a grocer, the situation is very bad. There are no goods, and we feel insecure because we could be looted at any moment. Some merchants now store goods in their homes.
According to the United Nations, nearly 19 million Sudanese could suffer from food insecurity due to the conflict. Advocates said $445 million is needed to support refugees fleeing Sudan and to provide aid in the next 6 months.
The situation has deteriorated dramatically and living conditions have become very bad and low. People have begun to store food supplies and most stores are lacking basic necessities. The price of flour is very expensive and the price of bread has doubled. People want to travel outside Khartoum, but tickets are also expensive, whether they are in the States or outside Sudan. This war destroyed many things. We hope things will get better.
In the absence of a functioning government and relief organizations, citizens in some neighborhoods of Khartoum organize voluntary initiatives to help alleviate the crisis for the poorest citizens. Hassan from a neighborhood called Jabra explained how citizen groups are coming together to deal with the impact of the conflict.
We obtained quantities of flour from some agents and distributed it to a large number of poor citizens in the neighborhood and solved the problem of flour shortages. We have some security, economic and health problems. We will form 3 committees concerned with the health situation, the living situation and the security situation. We will work to collect information, and in the same way we address the flour shortage, we will try to provide health and medical services for all patients in the neighborhood by bringing in doctors and medicine. If we are not able, we will offer moral support in these circumstances.
Residents say the situation is getting worse each day. They fear the longer the markets are closed and relief supplies are unable to reach those trapped in the city, the greater the human suffering will be. For Sid Ahmed Ibrahim in Khartoum, Sudan, Vincent Makori, VOA News.